Hey, welcome to Cooking with Frankie Meatball. Today, we're going to have a special guest cook something for you. Well, he's not really a special guest. He's my camera guy. He's my son. He's Joshie-Franko. He made this chili for me, and it was amazing. Forget about it. So he's going to make it for you. Green Chicken Chili by Joshie-Franko. Here on Cooking with Frankie Meatball.
Hey, this is Kevin from PhillyRockRadio.com.
Hey, this is Johnny E from Philly Rock Radio, and you're cooking with Frankie Meatball.
Hey guys, I'm Joshie-Franko, and today I'm on Cooking with Frankie Meatball. So right over here we got the ingredients for the green chicken chili. Right here, 2 cups of chicken broth, 3 pounds of skinless, boneless chicken thighs, 2 cans of pinto beans, 16 ounces of green chili, 2 tablespoons of cilantro. Now, the onions, nice and big. You don't want them minced because I like my chili nice and chunky. So I like to see the big pieces of onions in there. And talking about big pieces, we got little sweet potatoes over here. About 2 pounds or 2 big sweet potatoes. Now, over the spices that we got, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 2 teaspoons of salt, and the 1 teaspoon of chipotle is optional. But for me, you got the cumin here, which is a nice smoky southernish flavor for me. That's what I think of it. Now, I like to add in the chipotle because it just goes together so well and adds a bit of spice to it, a little kick. And everybody needs a kick now and again. And lastly, we got some black pepper. Now that we're over by the stove, I got my pot heating up. Ooh, that's hot. That's hot. I got my mise en place right here, nice and neat. First off, put a little oil in there already. Time to throw in my onions and my cilantro. Stir it around a bit. Right after that, you put the potatoes. Mix it around a bit. Throw your chicken thighs in. More mac dishes. Looks so pretty. So pretty. And mix them around. The chicken is cut up in little bits. Now when it cooks, it'll get nice and juicy and it'll shred apart real nice. Doesn't really matter if you keep it whole or shred it up, because either way it's going to fall apart. Now that we have the onions, cilantro, chicken, and sweet potatoes in the pot, we throw in the seasonings, so the seasonings can season everything in there. So first off, I like to throw in the salt, throw in the pepper, chipotle, and lastly, my favorite, the cumin. Spicy. Give that a good mix. Now that we get all the seasonings in the pot, time to add in the green salsa. Add in a bit, mix it around, and add in a bit more. Finally, you add the chicken broth. Now that we got everything in the pot all together, put the lid on, and let that come to a boil. And after it comes to a boil, you put it to a simmer and let it simmer for an hour and a half. Now look at this shirt from PhillyRockRadio.com. Got the nice little decals over there. Looks so nice. A great shirt and an even better radio station. And I don't think I forgot about the beans over here. During the last half hour, you throw the beans in and you mix it all together. And that's it. Then you got your chili after that. I'll see you in an hour and a half. Now that the chili's been cooking for about an hour and a half, it's ready to eat, ready to serve. It's good. Got the spice of the cumin, the chipotle, smell the chicken and the green sauce. Oh, so good together. Good old. Now it's time to eat.
Huh? The kid did alright, huh? Look at that chili. If you noticed, I want to point out a couple things. The chicken did straight apart. You see that? Now, for those who are like sweet potatoes, the sweet potatoes, they cook down, right? And it brings a sweet heat to the chili. So, me, with chili, I like some cheese on my chili. Don't know about you. I'm gonna throw some cheese on there. I like putting some cilantro on top, huh? Frankie Meatball does do grilling. He just doesn't do Italian cooking and this and that. I grill. You're gonna see me step out of the box. I'm gonna shock you. I'm gonna rock you. And Mach 22 is gonna roll you, okay? On PhillyRockRadio.com. Guys, what do you think, huh? Take a look at that chili, huh? Take a look at that. Throw down with Joshie-Franko, huh? The kid got it a while, huh? He might need a couple shots before he does it, but he's got it, you know what I'm saying? Like us on Facebook, follow us